Okay, I just wanted to try that because I was thinking, will that work? Who knows? So we're going to put a lot of the paint up here. And it doesn't have to color the whole paper. I just want to see what happens when I do this. Are you in focus? Yes, you are. Do we have enough paint? I'm not sure. I'm not going to put another color in though. Let's see what happens. Oh no, then it gets really slippery. See that? That's too bad. I was thinking that might be a really nice thing to do. Oh, this is okay. Oops. Really stuck on the table here. But that's really too bad that it didn't do what I was thinking it's going to do. Not that interesting, although I do like the coloration of it. Let's see about that. Yeah. And then with a piece of, then with a little bit of that black string gel going over it. Oh yes, we're going to keep that. We're going to only try to do one more. That's what we're going to do, because I like to have two of them. So we're going to put the orange on the side. Oh, there comes my paint, because I ran out of titanium. That's my dog you're hearing. What color did I put in there? Only those two? Nah. Oh yeah, I see it. Okay, here we go. Yep, that's pretty much the same down here. So then we have two, and that way, you know, when you buy something like this and you think that one is just a little bit too small, you can always put two together, nicely framed, and it'll look awesome. So I'm gonna let these dry. I'm having my fingers crossed that they'll be dry by tomorrow, because then I can show you the last bit where I put on that string gel. I know some people really like to see me do that. This is really awesome because it has a really, you can't see it, but in this little shadowy part, there are lots of cells. They are really cute. Let me get you in close. See that? I really like it. I like the action it has. So that's it for today, and I'll put all these short videos up on YouTube. I still have a lot of paint, but we'll use that tomorrow, some other colors too. So love you all to pieces, and I wish you a really, really beautiful Saturday. I hope you have better weather than I do, because it's raining like crazy over here. But we'll be back tomorrow, and next week we're going to have some spring weather with sun. So I just can't wait for that. So see you all tomorrow. Love you all to pieces. Liebe euch alle. Hou voor jullie allemaal. Bye bye.